Hello guys and welcome back to the series called Book Ideas, where we tell you interesting ideas from more interesting books. And today's book is a book about leadership, on leadership, the book of the Secret of Leadership by Mr. Prakash Iyer. The link will be there in the description below. And today's lesson is from a world-renowned leader, Mr. late Nelson Mandela. So this is a story about his presidential ceremony and the lesson that he gave to the whole world, if or whether he was affected by whatever was happening in South Africa at that point of time or not. So without further ado, let's just get into the story. The story goes that after 27 years of long years of jail, he got out. He was elected without any opposition or anything as president of South Africa, and most of the people didn't even think that this day will happen, or this day will happen in reality as it was the condition of that time in South Africa. And it was like a cherry on top. Everyone was surprised by what Nelson Mandela did next. He called all the three jailers who held him there, who literally made his time in prison hell, or living hell as you may call it. So who held him there, he called them, and that too he called them as VIPs of the ceremony. Can you imagine 27 long years, and those people who are somewhat responsible in that, you call them to a most important ceremony of your life. Most of us thought, most of the people in the South Africa thought that he would come out and try to get revenge, or try to even the scores with everyone else, or with every other party, or everyone who was involved at that time, and get revenge. But he gave this message that revenge is not the answer, or it is never the answer. If you have to move forward, if you have to do some good in the world, you have to start with forgiveness, you have to start with reconciliation. And this was a sheer act of forgiveness and kindness, if you see it from one point of view as well. He after these incidents, and after these ceremonies and all the other acts of kindness he did, at this point of time till this day, Nelson Mandela is known as a leader throughout the world, because his name is not opposed by anyone in the list of leadership, or in any aspect of leadership, because every now and then there will be a person who will be known as leader for some person, and other people won't think of him or her as a leader. But with Nelson Mandela, that is not the case. If Nelson Mandela's name comes up, everyone thinks of him as a world peace leader. So this is a thing. This is a very, very strong lesson in this book, and in the from Nelson Mandela himself, that if you have to move forward, if you have to be a good leader, if you have to be a great leader, in fact, you have to practice the art of forgiveness, and you have to move forward with bearing no ill will in your mind or heart whatsoever. If you hold that grudge, it will only eat you up from inside. It won't do you any good. So that being said, this is it for this video for today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you think someone has to see this, or even in general, share it with others. And If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. And until next time, until we get new videos and more interesting videos are coming up. Until next time, this is Mohammed Sohail signing off.